Ooh, so textured. Rib for her pleasure. Anyway, let's do a close-up. So as always, I'm keen to make a video about things that I couldn't find a video about, usually. Razorback 4x4 steering wheel cover, so basic. But I have Razorback 4x4 canvas seat covers in the front of my car. Been really great. I think I've had them for almost 3 years. Really feeling like I wanted to get something to cover the steering wheel. It's starting to get a little bit worn, I suppose, feeling a bit tacky at times under the hands. So I jumped on Razorback's website, found the neon, oh, it's still shiny, Neoprene steering wheel cover. And I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find any videos for it, not easily at least. So here we are, making just another video for YouTube. Here we go, let's open it up. So it comes in a pizza box, I love this. And yes, Australia Post labels as well for me. Let's crack into it, see what we got. And here's where we take the bit of video so we can get the still for the thumbnail. Surely that looks good. Wow, there it is. It looks like a steering wheel cover. Razorback, well done. You created a steering wheel cover that looks like a steering wheel cover. Sticker, I had one of these on the back of my tailgate. It was a white one. This yellow one looks much, much cooler. I'm kind of a sticker guy, but not a lot. I went on a trip last year and got some stickers from Batuta Hotel. Such a cool place. There's nothing there. It's amazing. Where else? Inamika, however you want to say it. Trading post there, and the Birdsville Bakery. I don't know if Birdsville Hotel had a sticker, but I didn't ask. So I have a few stickers on the back of my canopy, and I might, will I put this one on? I'm not sure. What does it sound like? Sounds good. Thank you for choosing Razorback 4x4. G'day. And they've even put my name in, handwritten. My name is Gabe, by the way, if you guys didn't know. Thanks for shopping with us and joining the Razorback 4x4 family. Already part of the family, but thank you. We know how important it is to protect your pride and joy, which is why we work hard to bring you the very best protection your seats can have. This is a steering wheel cover. Should have a different card for that. Since we're a small team of family and friends who are passionate about all things four-wheel drive, 4x4, your reviews and photos of your covers would mean the world to us. I got a comment on my video. I'll see if I can add a link in this video to it about the seat covers. And I'm pretty sure Razorback 4x4 replied, which is pretty cool. I'll leave them a reviews, QR code for that. Support at razorback4x4.com.au, phone number, blah, 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 Victoria at Razorback 4x4. Awesome. And here we are for the main event. Oh, that's a good shot to have. Ooh, oh, I need to get that better. Ooh. Let's get rid of the pizza box. Here it is, Razorback stitching in grey, charcoal, whatever they call it. Yeah, this is interesting. So it's neoprene, it's textured, feels quite nice. This is they say it's 15-inch, which apparently is pretty common steering wheel size. Never really looked into it, but on the inside, it's like rubber lined. There we go, that's the whole way around. It's textured ribs in the middle there, awesome. And that's obviously going to be to grip the steering wheel. Very rigid, it's nice. There's that logo. it's facing me. There is that logo. It's obviously going to be right in the center at the front. Yes. Stitching down the bottom there. The stitching looks, oh yeah. Is that going to come apart? Probably. Where the stitching is on the underneath, oh, it's at the bottom, right? 6 o'clock, here we go. 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, stitching. Stitching on the outside, but on the inside there's not a join in the rubber there, which is good, so it's at least not two things joined in the same place. Does the rubber thing have a join? Nah. Great. Like a bike tire. It's probably hard enough you could put some spokes on it and ride a bike. Well, I guess I better go and put this on the steering wheel. So I have an MQ Triton, 2017, late 2017 is when I got it. Actually, I picked it up in January 2018. But this is like universal. On their website it says like what's compatible with a Triton, and this is on there, but then it's like universal really. Let's go install it, see how it looks inside the ute. Well, a short little walk out to the car. My car is disgusting. I need to clean this. Anyway, to install, well, initially the size looks right, so I'm happy. Ticks the box. Now I got to try and get this camera to stay there while I use two hands to install this. One thing I just noticed while I was about to put this on, the stitch line that's at the bottom at 6 o'clock, there's actually two more. So this is in 3 sections of material. So like that, two-ish mark, excuse me, 2 and 10-ish, there's a join line. So to get this on, I think we just have to do a fair bit of stretching. It's going to work best on the bottom. Use my leg to hold it. Hope that's in shot. There we go. Oh yes. There it is. Ooh, so textured. So I'll flip the camera around here and put it on 0.5 zoom, so that way I could actually get this in one shot, otherwise I'm way too close. The logo looks nice. I got it fairly well centered first shot. The texture is interesting after having no steering wheel grip. That will take some getting used to. It's made this feel super thick now. That's good. Yeah. Definitely be able to grip with the palm of the hand on that. It's good. Oh my God, cherry jelly belly air freshener, the best. There you have it. Razorback 4x4 steering wheel cover, neoprene. I rate it. It's certainly not a review video because I've never driven with it, but it installs nicely. It feels quite good underhand. I think I paid $49 for it. If it's on sale, that's probably better value. You probably get something similar from Super Cheap Auto or anywhere like that. A similar type thing that's probably going to be cheaper. Definitely paying for a bit of the 4x4 brand name there. But I was happy to do that because I've had their seat covers and I think they make good gear, and just to prove that I'm not making that up, Razorback. Have a good one.